get your Lambo truck together? Huh?
Yeah, this. About sit down. Mama, you feel this mammo truck? The mammo truck. How piece is that? Now wait till God one time. How mammo trucks? There should be some right here.
Huh?
Mama. No, it's mammo truck today.
Lambo truck this is.
Alright. Mom's on there.
Who Lambo truck this is?
Yes,
Yes, what?
that we.
This your Lambo truck?
Yeah, this little mammo truck, but the other one. Told you to come and use this door, not the door, and come and use it. I thought this was your mammo truck. It's looking for us. Mammo truck. Look, my mammo truck is here.
Oh shit, I ain't put this room on. That's what it is.
Mammo truck.
No, they pop in.
Mammo truck.
Ain't that it? Don't put it together.
This go on the front. This is for the front. How big?
What?
Why big is this gonna be one of the That's it there.
That's your mirrors.
Yours.
Shorty, got your mirrors, shorty. All right.
Look at this. Look at this. Now this is truck. What is that?
Oh, your back wheels are on.
Who back wheels up? Look at this hot truck.
Back wheels are on. Uh-oh. Back wheels are on. What you doing, shorty?
The tire tracks.
The tire tracks.
Look. Look.
Your rims on, so we know it's a Lamborghini. Doosh.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini rims. Uh-oh.
Huh?
Almost finished.
The mammo truck.
Yeah, the Lambo truck.
Yellow. Huh? That's me.
How you get this Lambo truck?
That's you.
Huh?
Yellow.
How you get your Lambo truck? Huh?
Yes.
That's your mirrors. Is your Lambo truck here? Hold up, yo, you gotta get in the seat yet, huh? Yo, You're supposed to be helping me with the Lambo truck. I need that. Give me that wheel. Give me that rim.
The wheel.
Give me that rim right there. Bring it here.
The wheels. Wheel.
Uh-oh.
They got turning wheel. And they was crosshead.
Your Lambo truck has wheels. Give me them 2 mirrors.
Wheel.
Right there. Give me that 2
Wheels.
mirrors.
The wheels.
Alright. This is how this goes. Into there. Lambo truck. Slide over here. Slide over this kid. Come on. Yeah. This is Keep going, shorty. Bitch got pop. What's that? Oh, for the mocha show. Alright, hold up. Let's do this thing. We gotta hook these wheels up. These wheels gotta get hooked up over here, shorty.
Go back. They go pull up.
Alright.
Listen, me. I know this is. Uh-oh. To use turn. Yeah, they all do use.
No, I didn't say your battery. Uh-oh. Ho, ho, ho! You ready to go, ain't you?
Yeah.
You gotta push button stuff. He said, ho, what's that? How did this go? That's your window in
I
there?
can push it. I can push it.
Hold on, don't push it yet. Don't push it yet.
Let's see. Go.
You made this boy dead. You know what I mean? You got shocks on this joint. They've been sick if your trunk opened up in the front. Well, put your other one there.
The seatbelt.
I think the opposite side. Yeah, it got it. Yeah. You see that?
Oh, yeah. Give it a seat.
There's some wires in there. You don't have to connect it.
Huh?
Or you don't have to connect it
I
to the
can
wires.
get
in
a
there.
I'll be here.
Till get a seat.
Are you good to go? Put 2 screws in there. They for a seat. Now, yo, get in your car, yo. Get in your car, yo.
Car.
This car. Get your Lambo truck and drive. You start your Lambo truck up. Start it up. Turn it on.
Put the seatbelt on.
You gotta put no seatbelt on. There you go. Hit the button.
Put it.
Push the pedal. You gotta push the pedal to drive.
Let's go. Better go. Pull
Send it down
it.
the hallway.
You gotta back it up. Now push the pedal. Push the pedal. Stop. Push it again. Turn the wheel. So let me get all this stuff out of our way first. You got remote control, everything. I thought I was going to use my tool bag, but I see they said one tool like do everything. Get back in your car, yo. You got aux cord. You gonna get music up to your aux cord?
Oh, watch out in the front.
Where your phone at? Where your phone at?
I'm up here.
Where's your phone? Hurry up. Miss, you can't pause it and just move it.